Use the following coordinate plane to write the ordered pair for each point. So A is plotted at 1/2 0.5 on the x and 4 on the y. This is 0.5 because each hash mark is the distance of half between two whole numbers. So this is this point here is 0.5 and this point here is 4 on the y-axis. So A is 0.5 and 4. Okay, B is -3 on the x and 0 on the y. So -3 and 0. And point C is -1 on the x and 1 on the y. Now let's check to see that I don't have any stupid mistakes like before. A 0.5 and 4. B negative 3 on the x and 0 on the y, and C negative 1 on the x and positive 1 on the y. Okay. Drag the dots to plot 0 and 6.5. Okay. 0 on the x and 6.5 on the y. So that's the first one. Second one, -5 on the x, -5 on the y. The third one, 1 on the x and 9 on the y. Okay. Let's make sure that I didn't mistake. 0 on the x, 6.5 on the y, -5 on the x, -5 on the y, 1 on the x, and 9 on the y. Okay. For which points is the x-coordinate greater than -2? So the x-coordinate 2. So the only point which is to the left of -2 on the x is B. C, D, and A are all to the right of -2 on the x-axis. D is located here, which is -1.5. It's to the right of -2. C is -1. It's to the right of -2, and A is 0.5, which is to the right of -2. So which points are in the x-coordinate are greater than -2? C, D, and A. C, A, and B. The only one that is not greater than -2 is B. Which ordered pair is not graphed below? Okay, so let's check if A is graphed. -4 and 4. -4 and 4 is graphed. Okay. 4 and 4. 4 and 4 is graphed. 0 and -4. 0 on the x, -4 on the y is graphed. -4 and 0. -4 on the x, and 0 is not graphed. Okay, so B is not graphed. Use the following coordinate plane to write the ordered pair. The ordered pair for each point. A is on -3 on the x and -1 on the y. -3 on the x, -1 on the y. B, 3 on the x, negative 1 on the y. 3 and negative 1. C, negative 1 on the x, 3 on the y. Negative 1 and 3. Let's make sure. A, negative 3, negative 1. Okay. B is positive 3 on the x, negative 1 on the y. And C, negative 1 on the x, positive 3. Drag the dots to plot 8 and negative 5. 8 and negative 5. 8, negative 5. That's the first one. 3.5 and 0. 3.5 and 0. That's the second point. This one, 3.5 on the x, 0 on the y. The third one, negative 6 on the x, negative 4 on the y. Okay, let's make sure. 8 and 5. 8 and negative 5. Oh, okay. 8 and negative 5. 8, negative 5, so that's correct. 3.5 and 0. Negative 6, negative 4. Okay. For which point is the y coordinate greater than negative 3? Okay, so negative 3 is here, the only one that's beneath negative 3 is B. D is negative 1.5, C is 0, and A is 2.5, so DCA is above negative 3. DCA. Okay. So in the next video I will do this practice, quadrants on the coordinate plane.